Matapos ang maagang exit ng Los Angeles Lakers sa 2024 NBA Playoffs, hindi pa tiyak kung muling maglalaro si superstar forward LeBron James para sa koponan sa susunod na season. Sa post-game press conference, tinanong si James kung ito na ang huli niyang laro bilang bahagi ng Lakers. Tinanggihan naman itong sagutin ng 4-time NBA champion dahil umano priority niya sa ngayon ay ang makasama ang kanyang pamilya.
No, I just want to get home to the family, honestly. Start looking at the schedule, obviously. I got, my son, one of my boys is just trying to decide if he's going to, enter the draft or go back to school. I got another kid that's playing AU ball right now. My daughter's playing volleyball. And my wife is doing so many great things. So it's about family right now. And then in a couple months, I got to go to Vegas for training camp. So, I got to rest my body for USAB. But that's kind of the initial thoughts.
Sa kabila nito, nangako naman ang kanyang co-star na si Anthony Davis na gagawin niya ang lahat ng kanyang makakaya upang kumbinsihin si James na manatili sa Purple and Gold franchise. Sa darating na 2024 to 2025 season, mayroong player option si James na nangangahulugang maaari siyang lumipat sa ibang koponan para sa mas mababang halaga. Rafael Bandairel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.